Hi everyone, David Gillihan here, Director of Artist Domain and also co-chair of the Goodlettsville Arts and Antiques Festival. That's what I want to talk to you about today. It is our 7th annual Goodlettsville Arts and Antiques Festival, and I'll tell you a little bit about it. We're excited about it. It's going to be all through the city, down through here and up behind Lick Street, and we'll go up there and show you that in a few minutes. We're excited because we've got some new things for this year. We're going to have the Goodlettsville Antique Appraisal Show. We have appraisers from the Antique Road Show, and also some high-end appraisers out of Nashville that's going to be joining our antique dealers here doing antique appraisals. If you'll look on Facebook, it'll tell you all about it. You can bring Grandma's vase down here and see what it's worth. As I move locations, I want to talk to you about some more things that are in the Arts and Antiques Festival. We've got vendors, and they're going to be vendors from artisans, handmade crafting things, woodworking, metalworks, just so many new vendors, and it all has to be handmade or crafted. It's not going to be any resale items at all. And they will be all out front here of City Hall, across the street at Chic and Artique area, and up Lick Street. We'll go up there in a few minutes and look at that. Directly in front of City Hall, and to the left over here are going to be our food trucks and food vendors and our music area. We've got a whole day of music, food trucks, a place to eat and enjoy that part of it. And if you look behind me here, all along City Hall, we have the Lakeshore Quilters, and we're going to have a quilting contest and let all vote on the winner, and we're going to give a cash prize to the #1 quilt. We're excited about that. They're excited about it, so we're going to move around some more and look at some more stuff. I'm at the pavilion here at the City Hall. This will be our music area. We have a whole day of local talent. Some you've heard of, some you haven't. A lot of songwriters. It's going to be great. There will also the eating area will be right over this area. Up through here is Lick Street. It's historical. It's the street behind all the antique stores. It's going to be lined up with vendors of what I've already told you about, handmade crafted vendors, antique dealers, just a full array of people you're going to enjoy, but it'll be just jam-packed full. So this is an excellent opportunity for you to come out and support your local artists and your local businesses. A few ways that you can do that. One, when you see this, you can share it on your social media, you can talk about it, and most of all, you can attend the festival. It's September the 9th from 10 to 4. We'll kind of summarize what we've got here. We've got a September 9th citywide festival on Main Street, free. We have an antique appraisal show that we're excited about, and this is going to be not just in Goodlettsville, it could be citywide as far as Nashville's concerned. We have music, we've got food trucks, we've got vendors, handmade and crafting vendors. We have a magician that's going to be walking around doing tricks all through the day and sleight of hand stuff. So this is an exciting event for us. It's a return of the Goodlettsville Arts and Antiques and Music Festival. We're looking forward to seeing you guys here. Help share this. Let's make this a really fun thing. Thank you, and we'll see you September 9th.